I was just getting down to the basement to fire up the pellet stove for the evening, and lo and behold, look what is finally printed. Oh, you don't know what that is? Let me show you. But unfortunately, not many of them printed. It's just, I think I may have one that actually printed. Maybe one, maybe two of these, because they came off of the base. Okay, well, I'll have to try that again then. I'll just dump these into the wash, and I'll show you the good one. Yeah, just scrape all those off, and I'll have to clean this up. Maybe you'll get this, maybe you won't. A little bit of humor. For anybody who has ever procrastinated, let's stick all this stuff in the alcohol bath while I clean this up. This is not an original idea. I stole this idea from somebody else. Something I saw many years ago and have not seen much since. And let's see, do we have a good one? I believe we have a good one. Let's pop this one out. Not quite. We gotta let it go a little longer. I'll show you in just a second. Alright, so like I was saying, this is the perfect thing for a person who has a lot to do, maybe has a lot that they do at once, maybe they procrastinate a lot. Or these, no, I'm just kidding, these are tie plates. That's not it yet. Nope, that's more tie plates. More tie plates. There's a bunch more tie plates. Oh. By the way, I've been 3D printing tie plates lately. A lot of them. Let's see. Do we have a good one? I believe we have a good one right here. Well, it's almost good. I'll just wipe this off with a clean paper towel. Alright, here we are. One Tuit. This is one round Tuit. Yep. For all those people who've always said they will do something when they finally get around to it. Well, guess what? If you receive one of these, you've finally got around to it, and you have no more excuses. All right, I'm done.